The America First Political Action Conference is an annual political conference that has been widely described as white nationalist and far-right. Many attendees are members of the America First movement and supporters of Nick Fuentes, also known as Groypers. The conference was described by the Daily Dot as a white nationalist alternative to CPAC, the Conservative Political Action Conference. The Arizona Republic and Rolling Stone have characterized it as an extremist rival of CPAC. As of 2022, the conference has featured two current United States House Republicans as speakers. On December 21, 2019, in the wake of the Groyper Wars, leaders of the Groyper movement held a speaking conference called the Groyper Leadership Summit in West Palm Beach, Florida. The event was invite-only and held at an undisclosed location. The date, location, and title of the event mirrored Turning Point USA's Student Action Summit, a speaking event featuring conservatives including Ben Shapiro, who Fuentes would publicly confront outside the venue. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.